The next menu is the autopilot. On this car is just the basic autopilot. You can choose autopilot feature um, in this car with the handle next to the steering wheel. You can see a little bit. Pull down twice to activate, and you can adjust the follow distance, change the speed with scrolling. Auto steer is designed for use on highways that have a center divider, clear lane markings, and no cross traffics. It should not be used on highways that have very sharp turns or lane markings that are absent, faded, or ambiguous. Please use it only if you will pay attention on the road, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and be prepared to take over anytime. That's really important. It does not make your vehicle autonomous, so remain attentive. When enabled, cabin camera is used to detect driver attentiveness. Cabin camera images are not shared with Tesla unless your opt-in controls. Yes, you can change that settings. Okay. You can say single pull you want to activate autopilot, or double pull. Double pull is better. Single pull you can activate actually. If you have this option, then with single pull, if you activate, you have auto steer on double pull, then with single pull you can activate the traffic aware cruise control. Yes. Oh, one more thing. If an autopilot strikeout occurs 5 times due to improper use, auto steer beta will not longer operate. The vehicle has not had any such events. That means if you not have enough attention, car drive itself with autopilot, auto steer on a highway, and you not have enough attention, camera will see this, or you're not touching the steering wheel like it's supposed to be, then you can get a strikeout. After 5 strikeout, if I think you will get 2 weeks. Let's say cannot use this option in this car. Okay, let's go forward. Speed. Okay, everything. I don't want to change everything. Current speed. You can set the speed when you engage autopilot. The cruising speed will be set to the following: speed limit. That are the 2 options what you can choose. Speed limit to the road adjusted by the offset specified of the current driving speed, whichever is greater. Okay, or the other option, current driving speed. With this you can say speed limit if you pulling the handle down. If you pulling the one more time, if you pull twice down, then it can have the speed limit. It can be the speed limit fixed, the offset, and or you can add a couple of kilometers per hour extra how it's supposed to drive, or you can say a couple of percentage what you want the car drives for you. It's totally up to 30%. Okay, let's get back to 0. Okay, you can go to minus also. That's also really useful. How it's what is your depends of you. Okay, I always use current speed. Display speed. Speed limit warning. You have off display or chime. I have on chime. No, I have on display. Speed limit, you have relative speed limit or absolute speed limit. Relative speed limit is you can set a offset also, like it will not gonna chime or display if you're driving a few kilometers per hour extra, or autopilot, the you get more settings. Forward collision warning, like yeah, how early has to warn you if you got some forward situation, forward collision situation. I got a medium, I don't know. Lane departure avoidance. Lane departure avoidance will warn or assist with corrective steering when your vehicle starts to drift out of the lane without a turn signal. Whether you use this safety feature or not, you must always pay attention and maintain control, because it cannot prevent every lane departure. Okay, that's important. That's a good. Okay, but I have one assist. You have one warning, then it will not help you. I have one assist. Let it help me. Emergency lane departure avoidance. You can turn it off. Not gonna read. Automatic emergency braking. That's also really good. It's obstacle aware acceleration. It means if something stands front of the car, an obstacle, then even if you push the accelerator, the pedal, it will obstacle over acceleration automatically limits acceleration and may apply the brakes if any obstacle is detected front of your vehicle while driving at low speed. It's only at low speed. Green traffic light chime, if is you're standing at the red light and traffic light jumps to green, and you will get a notification, you will get a chime, and you know you can drive. That was the autopilot menu.